Hello and welcome to tutorial number 1 on notifications with actions. Today we'll be covering notifications and how they work with multiple buttons, and the callbacks required for it to work. The first thing we'll be writing is the registering for a notification. Here we are setting up a notification action, setting the identifier, adding a title, and then setting the activation mode. This one is the background mode, so the app will stay closed when tapped, as opposed to the reply action, which is just below. That is foreground, and so the app will open. We then set up a category for these actions, an identifier, and then registering these notification settings with the application, so it knows we want to receive notifications and what type of notifications we want. This method will be called from didFinishLaunching with options, but you can call it from anywhere you want. Next, we are handling the handle action with identifier delegate method. This one particularly is for local notifications. There is one for remote as well, but we will be dealing with that in a later episode. We are checking the category ID of the notification and the identifier of the actions so we can tell which action has been pressed. We are then logging those to the console. Remember to call the completion handler at the end. This lets iOS know you have finished doing what you wanted to do with that action. To run the notification side, today we'll be just using a local notification. It's set from 10 seconds from now, and the alert body is what you want it to say, and setting the category to the same as we are registering with the actions. This all nicely ties up, and the actions will show alongside this notification, even though we have no payload in this notification. This is all being driven from the category. So let's fire up the app. As you can see, we have been asked if the app can send notifications. So let's go ahead and click OK. So this is the app as we know it. If we leave, you can see we have a notification fired. If you pull down, you can see the actions, and if you tap cancel, you'll see in the console cancel was pressed. So let's launch it again. This time, let's click on reply. It opens the app, and reply was pressed as in the console. This is a simple start to notifications. We will go into more detail in the next episode. Thank you for watching, and the link for the code on GitHub is in the description below.